that looks terrible. Been like that since I got it. See that line? These didn't fit perfect, but super excited to have on real carbon fiber caps all the way through. Get yourself a pry tool. Get it behind there. Work it. Bada boom. She's off. Pretty easy. Get on video. I'll take out this connector here. So it looks like a T10. One screw. 5 screws so far. And that will take off the gloss black trim piece. Those 5 screws. Take this off. Using this again. Now that we have that off, and once you disassemble your side view mirror turn signal light, it's going to have to be taken off. Looks like we just got 1 screw right there. But we will be replacing ours with Savage Cadillac sequential turn signal lights. So excited to put them on the Blackwing. And there we go. Save that screw. There's the OEM side view mirror cap for the passenger side. Still have the overlay carbon fiber covers from Savage. We'll have to take a heat gun, get those off of there at some point. Let's not forget, we also need to keep this little insert trim piece. It's going to be reinstalled once we get the new caps on. And there we go, and I broke that. So let's be a little bit more careful, guys. Son of a... We have the new sequential turn signal lights from Savage. Excited to put these on. So, simple enough. We've got a 1-piece connector. Press it and pull it. There we go. All right, old one, new one. Let us get the new covers. All right, let's get these placed back in. All right, got that piece in. Take that screw. Get the light reinstalled first. Bang, looking good. All right. So, looking good so far. Let's change the angle. Where's my trusty Harbor Freight icon light? There she is. Looks good. Fitment is solid. Those new sequential turn signal lights about to be on that sequential brap. Looking good. Excited. So all we got to do now is get the trim surround screws back in nice and tight. Now we just got to connect the mirror to the harness. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and a super satisfactory outcome. Official, genuine Savage Cadillac carbon fiber side view mirror covers. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. I got the trim piece back in place. And getting a close shot for you guys here. So, you got number 1 right here. Boom. Number 2 up here in the corner. There's the screw. Hit that one back in. The bang. You got one down here in this corner. Okay. Here we got one more up top there in the top left. And there she goes. Gorgeous, genuine carbon fiber, Savage Cadillac side view mirror covers. looking fantastic with the Savage Cadillac sequential turn signal light. And now we're just going to pop this connector right back into there. Plugged in. And boom. Back in place. There we go, guys. Looking great. She needs a little bit of a cleanup, but looking good. All right, y'all, same deal. Pry tool. Give it a couple of pops. That's about it. Super simple. I know it's scary. It's glass. Just be steady on it. Be confident, because the hardest part is the little tiny connector. We're gonna go this way. All right, there we go. Get yourself a little microfiber towel and go ahead and set it there, a little extra protection. All right, that screw right there, number one. That screw right there. So 1, 2, 3, and right down there, where the light is shining, number 4. So those are the 4 trim surrounds you want to get off. And right back in here, that one, you know, if you're going to do the mirror caps and go full genuine OEM full carbon replacement caps, you might as well make it official and get the lights. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense not to. Definitely make sure you do that. All right. That will do it for the surround. Go ahead and slide that right over top of the mirror. Bada bing. We're going to keep this, put it right here on the glass. There we go. Let's have the screw holding the light onto the top cap. Go ahead and undo that. And there you go. Remember, you're going to need this trim piece. So go ahead and pop that out. Little tab you want to press there. One more little tab there. Bam. This insert trim piece need to go back in, so we'll be using that. All right, we have the other top piece. Savage Cadillac genuine carbon fiber side view mirror cap through and through. It's crazy how light this is. All about that weight reduction, baby. Ooh, yeah. All right, y'all, so pop this back in. So I got the middle one in first, seemingly. Seems to be the easiest part, and then get the top one in. Yep, that's the route. Get that one in first, and go ahead and snap and push this one in nice and gently. But there we go. All right, y'all, so let's replace the driver's side OEM side view mirror light. Go ahead and just hit the button with your thumb, yank it on out. There's the OEM one. Another cool thing that I like a lot about the sequential turn signal, these ones kind of stick out. And so it kind of looks a little sharper, you know what I mean? And like a little meaner when it's on the car, because it just comes out a little bit more aggressive. Really like it. Right. Go ahead and just plug it on in. First thing we're gonna do is get this back on one screw, put it up in there. There we go. So you see how it just comes out. I think that's a little sexier than the OEM. It just looks nice because it's blacked out. Just gorgeous. This is what you want. You want to look sexy? You gotta go with the side view genuine carbon fiber mirror caps with the sequential turn signal lights. It's a must. It has to be done. All right, now in place. So we're gonna put in the one screw. Just kind of holds things in place. Okay, I'm gonna take the
Trim surround. Like so. Oh, screw number 1 back. And number 4. Plug this back on up. And the very last thing, go ahead and just give it a little push inside there. Get the mirror right back in place. You'll feel it pop in 2 or 3 places, and you're good to go. There she is, folks. Genuine carbon fiber side view mirror caps from Savage Cadillac, along with sequential turn signal lights as well from Savage. A nice little view. There they are. Oh yeah. There you go. Gorgeous. Beautiful.